Mr. Yeager, this is not how I wanted us to meet, okay? I'm Shane, and I'm a completely
And I am not talking to you. Drive the car!
Watch out, watch out!
Throw up some morning shots.
Man, I don't know how I'm driving this good. It's like today I've gone to a whole other level.
Bro, focus. Stop talking.
Shane, look out!
This may be primarily my fault, okay? They said they were gonna bring a check. I didn't know they were gonna send a death squad.
Hang on!
Hey, we got ourselves a winner. Don's got it over here. Let's get it.
We lost him. Good job, stranger from the cornfields. The scary cars are back.
Blue's about the factory, Shane!
I thought you knew how to drive this thing. Go!
I don't think we're gonna get that money. Doesn't seem like it.
Cade!
Take him upstairs!
We're losing them on the 5th floor.
Do that thing, Shane!
You know it.
What do you mean? What thing?
What we're about to do is gonna be kind of scary.
Take out your guns and shoot them.
They're shooting at us! Pass it, grab my stick, grab my stick! What? She's got the best hands in the business. Ready, Tess?
No, no, no!
Oh, no, big
Tessa, you are so grounded!
Shit, the rim's cracked.
Optimus. Come on, move, move.
My foot's stuck! Wait, Cade!
Lucas!
Wait, wait! Lucas! Lucas, above you! Run!
Come on, get in, let's go.
I'll bet you wish you could see my face right now.
guess we just left him.
He's gone.
My deepest sympathies for the loss of your friend. Stay here till I'm sure we weren't followed. We are all targets now.
So we're hiding out now? That's the plan? We're taking orders from a truck?
Well, you got a better idea? Hey, move away from her, kid. Don't... Keep your hands off her, all right? No.
That's great. That's fucking great. I'm glad you guys are so happy.
What?
What do you mean, what? And you're giving me shit for it?
You got your ass kicked by a garage inventor from Texas. That goes on your resume. Yeah, it goes on all of yours, too.
Do I look like I'm in the mood for any of your shit today?
Washington thinks we were chasing the Decepticon target, but our story falls apart if we don't find this Yeager family first.
Yeah, well, what if he goes to the cops or the FBI?
They know to hand him over. His world as he knows it is gone.